Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that 666 that arrived. 14 bucks on eBay. As you see, I've replaced the front truck. Had to straighten out to the drawbar. It was really bent. In fact, I had to pull it off and straighten it and then remount it with a screw. So I got a 1032 screw and a nylock nut on it for now. Good enough. Anyway, it's up and running. The light bulb was loose. It still has the original light bulb in it. It does smoke. Anyway, I've got it on the outside rail. Thought I'd do a quick video. Just got the front truck installed. E-unit is working. This is pulling 20 Lionel cars. That's 50% power. And it is beginning to smoke. It's so hard to see it on camera, but it is smoking, as you see. So anyway, was it worth 14 bucks? You tell me. So it runs splendidly. It has plenty of power, pulling 20 Lionel cars at 50% power, as you see. Has the original headlight, replaced the front truck, straightened the drawbar, but other than tightening the bulb, I've done nothing to it at all, except lubricate it. No repairs, really, except to install that front truck. The mount was bent, so someone obviously took it off. Anyway, I had one in the junk box, so straightened them out, installed the front truck, straightened out the drawbar, and this old locomotive is up and running. And it is smoking. It's not smoking great, but it's on par with most 666s. I only put a couple of drops of oil in it. Anyway, just wanted to do a follow-up video. I gotta stress this, don't overlook the junk. If you go on eBay right now, there is a double reduction motor with a smoke generator on it. The guy's asking 35 bucks for it, I think. I bought this entire locomotive for 14. And as you see, it's running just absolutely perfectly. I still have to install the missing screw for the motor mount. But other than that, there's nothing wrong with this. It runs absolutely splendidly. E-unit's working, original headlight, front and rear trucks. Put a couple of drops of oil on this paint, that'll revitalize that. I don't know about straightening that bell. In most cases, pot metal, once it's bent, it only bends once. You try to bend it back, it'll very likely snap off. I'll have to re-drill the hole and epoxy it back on. But we'll get to that eventually. As far as the motor goes, which is what I bought it for, it's running perfectly. So a double reduction motor with a smoke generator, Marx 666, 14 bucks. Really difficult to beat that. The guy jerked me around on the shipping, but in any case, it was worth the $14. There's no doubt about that. That's running really well. So again, don't overlook the junk. 14 bucks on eBay, up and running, and I haven't done anything to it really. Plenty of power. There's no traction tire on that locomotive, and it's pulling 20 Lionel cars with no problem at all. A lot of weight behind that 666. As you can see. So anyway, a quick follow-up on the Marx 666 from eBay. It's definitely worth $14, no doubt about it. So a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.